Yes, you are a cute puppy. I don't know whose puppy you are, but you're a cute puppy. Okay, I gotta go trout fishing there, little girl. Okay, bye-bye. You definitely got some beagle in you, don't you? Yes, you got some beagle in you. Okay, I gotta go trout fishing. You can come with if you want. Bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye. No, you don't want to go? You want to follow me? No, you need to go. Okay. You're such a good puppy. Should I pull a parrot and adopt you? No, Hanky boy would be so jealous. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good morning, Vietnam. Just kidding. My Robin Williams impression, I know it sucked. But anyways, good morning, fishing friends. Today is the day. Well, it's not opening day, but it's my first time here for trout season up here in Northeast Iowa. It's a beautiful early morning, nice and brisk. I am here at Joy Springs. Gonna see if I can't catch a few trout. So, you know, by the way, I'll be using, as always, for my trout fishing, a Shimano Stradic CI4 reel with 4-pound fluorocarbon line. I'm gonna use a 1/8 ounce, I'm changing up a little bit. Normally I go with a black and gold rooster tail. Today I'm gonna do a black and silver. Ooh, big change. And then my other rip pole is also a 6-foot St. Croix, the Shimano reel, 4-pound fluorocarbon line. I got this little jig from Killer Jigs. We're gonna give it a shot and see how we do. So wish me luck on my first morning trout fishing since the season started. I am excited and I'm ready to go. Well, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Wish me luck. Oh, fish on. Got a fish on. Fish on, folks. First trout of the trout season. What do we got here? Sure, bud. I don't know. We're probably gonna let you go. I'm not a big fan of you. Come on. Alright, no, you're okay. I got you. Hi. Yeah, you're too little. You're a nice guy. Awesome. Little fella. Hit your hook pretty good though, didn't I? Okay, one more barb. There you go. Nice little rainbow. Let him go again. Here you go. See him? There you go. Alright. So we'll catch another one. Definitely wanting it. There you go, got him, fish on. A fairly decent one too, he's so good. All right. Oh, he was so good. Oh, that sucks. I thought I had him a good. Oh well, darn it. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Little brookie. Oh, there he goes. Sorry, I was gonna let you go anyways. What do we got here? Ooh, that's looking mighty nice right there. Fish on. Oh, don't get in the water, don't get in the weeds, don't get in the weeds, don't get in the weeds. Oh, very nice brown trout, looks like. Oh yeah, we'll let you go, bud. Nice brown. Biggest brown I've caught out of here. Yeah. Let's take you over to the water and let you go. Nice, pretty brown. We'll let you go over here, bud. So I don't have to throw you. Nice brown. Okay. There you go. There you go. He's off. All right. We'll catch another one. Oh, there's one. Fish on. Fish on. We got little brookie, it looks like. Hold still, little guy. I'll get you off. We'll let you go. Stop up and I'll let you go. Stop up. There you go. Little brookie. I love brooks. I don't want to catch me a big brook though. Here. Nice little pretty brookie. Go. He's gone. Sorry I had to throw him, but there's a big bank here. Let's catch another one. Fish on. Got one, fish on. What do we got here? What do we got? Looks like a decent one. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. That's a decent one. That's a keeper one. All right. Stop. Nice pretty rainbow. Cool. Let's catch another one. Just right here. Man, that's a nice hole right here. That's a neat trout in it though. It's not that way. This goes this way. Oh, there's one. That bird got that. I saw that hit it. I saw him grab that. He drilled that. I don't think he's coming off. All right, stop flopping and I'll let you go. Actually, you know what? We're gonna keep you, I think. You're not too bad of a little guy. Man, I love brook trout. This guy had some teeth on him. Nice pretty brook trout. Let's catch another one.